Hi everyone, my name is Karen and this is Chosen and Precious Farm. In today's video, I am going to be celebrating my little girl's 5th month of life. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see that I have this tradition that is something that my mother started, where for their first year of their life, what my mother did was, for the first year of our lives, she baked us a little cake and she would put candles on it and practically celebrate a birthday, but every month of our life. And I decided that I was going to continue on with this tradition. And so if you follow me on Instagram, you will have noticed that I have been doing that. And so today is the 28th and Soph turns 5 months. And so I'm going to bake her cake and we're going to blow out some candles for her. So follow along. Alright, so I looked for a recipe that I liked on Pinterest, and this is the one that I ended up going with. It is a regular just butter cake with chocolate chips, and then the original recipe has a buttercream chocolate chip frosting, but I decided to go with a whipped chocolate ganache. But I will go ahead and link the recipe that I used in the description if you want to follow or use this recipe as well. But what I did was I cut the recipe down in half, and then I substituted a couple of things. Like, I substituted evaporated milk for regular milk, and then it also asked for some vegetable oil. I don't use vegetable oil, so I just put in a little bit extra butter as well. But it turned out just perfectly fine, so I didn't mind that. So here are all the ingredients I used. I used flour, baking soda, salt, sugar, 1 egg, evaporated milk, a little bit of vanilla extract, and the butter. And then I added the chocolate chips here, mixed it all. I put it in this pan. This is the only pan that I had the size, so then I ended up just cutting it into 4 pieces to make it a little taller. I thought I was only going to use half of this bag of chocolate, and just, you know what, let's just use the whole entire bag, right? Why can't we? So then again, here I used evaporated milk and a little bit of heavy whipping cream. And then this is your chocolate ganache, and if you want to make it a whipped ganache, you just whip it. So then here I am. I'm going to cut it into 4 equal parts, and then I'm going to assemble it. And that's how I made this cake for Sophie's 5th month. Sophie, ¿quién va a cumplir 5 meses? ¿Quién va a cumplir 5 meses, Sophie? ¿Quién va a cumplir 5 meses? Happy 5 months, so happy 5 months. Yeah. Yeah. Vamos a servir una torta. Coge con los dedos, no importa. Wouch. Wouch. That looks yummy. Mmm. Here's what the cake looks like. And only my family and I are gonna eat from this cake, so I'm just gonna taste it straight from the cake, because don't tell me you don't do that at home. So I got a spoon here. My daughter already tasted it, my older daughter, and she thought it was delicious. So I'm just going to cut off a little piece here.
Nice. That's delicious. I feel like I did a pretty good job. That's yummy. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you had as much fun watching this video as I did making it. And I think I'll record every month from now on. So stay tuned to all the other months. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye.